I think the two main reasons that I was interested in the joint degree were that I wasn't totally sure what exactly I wanted to do, but I knew that I wanted to differentiate myself and build sort of a unique set of skills that would try and set me apart from some of my classmates in a way.
I also wanted to work in corporate law, and I think it's very beneficial to be able to speak the language of the clients, understand underlying accounting principles, and strategy moving forward. So that's part of the reason why I also wanted to get my JD MBA.
So I always knew I was interested in doing corporate law, and was when I was considering doing the JD MBA dual program, I wanted to make sure that in the future I left open as many doors as I possibly could, and I thought that doing the MBA was a great way to combine the qualitative aspect of law school, all the skills that you learn here, especially during your first year of law school, with the quantitative aspect of business school, the teamwork, the leadership skills that they really are able to focus on in the smaller classes over at CATS.
And so I think the joint degree has been a great experience in giving me time and exposure to different topic areas and a lot of different learnings, while also building up this ability to open doors and do different things depending on what I found myself interested in. And I found myself attracted to opportunities that are outside of the law.
I didn't have a big quantitative background from undergrad or anything like that, but I knew that was a skill set that I wanted to further develop, and that would be useful not only in the practice of law at a law firm or something like that, but just kind of in everyday life. It was something I was going to be able to utilize moving forward. And I found that up to this point, throughout my internship last summer, it really did benefit me to have that business acumen and that terminology understanding.
But I've also found law school to be extremely valuable in preparing to pursue a career in consulting, also building a skill set that'll help me to succeed when I'm there. And I think that the joint degree has been uniquely valuable in that way, to have these opportunities and feel like I really could do absolutely anything when I graduate.
So I did my undergraduate in business. But I've always been interested in the intersection of business and law, and so that's why I wanted to pursue an MBA as well. And I agree with your point that it's very team-based learning, leadership skills, interpersonal communication is highly important, and so that coupled with legal research, legal writing, hopefully will be beneficial in the long run.
I think when it comes down to it, especially when you do your JD MBA over at CATS, it's only one extra semester. There's really no negatives about doing this program. It can only serve to help you in the future, and I've already seen it pay dividends for me.
Same.